Hi, everyone. Good to see all of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good to see you all join. I'm super excited to be having this live analysis with you. My name is Solomon King. If you are joining me for the first time, I'd like to welcome you. And if you can do me a favor, just drop your location for me in the description right here in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching me from, where you're joining this live session from, so I can acknowledge your presence. I can see a lot of people are joining from different countries. Can see people from Nigeria, people from India, people from different parts of the world. Yes, good evening from Ghana. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for joining. People from South Africa. I can see Virginia. I can see Bangladesh. I can see a lot of people cast from Nigeria. I can see Vincent from Zimbabwe. I can see Pakistan. I can see Zambia. Oh, good to see all of you. Good to see all of you. Somebody from Gusau, Nigeria. We have Kasmut from Nigeria. We have Drecol from Jamaica. Tahir from Kaduna. We can see many people. A lot of you. A lot of you. Please have a seat and let's do a very quick top-down analysis on gold. We're going to look at gold and see where price may be trading into this particular week. We have started the week already, and we want to check. If we have a prospect for the week. All right. How many of you love to trade gold? Let me see it in the comments. If you love trading gold, let me see in the comments. Just type it. How many of you love trading gold? Yeah. Okay. I can see. Is it January? Rob? Is that Rob from Australia? Oh, I can see all of you. A lot of you love trading gold. Yes. That's amazing. That's amazing. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing right here. I'm not going to take so much time. Somebody hates gold. Marvelous. It's well. We have different assets we trade, and if you love trading a particular asset, and if the asset is nice, you can enjoy it. Some people love to trade the yen pairs. Some people love to trade the dollar pairs. Some people love to trade the futures indices. That's the futures market. Some people love to trade synthetic index. Love to trade synthetic index, and it depends on how comfortable you are trading some of those assets. So let's do top-down analysis on gold. What can you guys see now? Quickly, type it in the comment. What is the directional bias? Is it bearish or bullish? I want to hear you type it. Is it bearish or bullish? Thank you, James. From KD. Thank you. Thank you, James. Uptrend. Uptrend. Somebody just typed uptrend, but because of the volume of, I can see a lot of people typing bullish, bullish, bullish. Even a 2-year-old would be able to identify that this is a bullish market. Bullish market. So how many of you are planning to take the trade from here as price is opening maybe later in the night or in the daytime, depending on where you're located? How many of you are planning to activate your trade the moment the market opens? How many of you are planning to activate your trade? That's a bullish market. Let's take the trade from there. Yeah, no way. That's true. I can see that a lot of you guys have an understanding of what it means to trade in the market. All right. No way you can start taking your trade from here. It is not logical. It is not logical. And the moment I see you do that, I just know. I don't need anybody to inform me. I just know that you are still, or you are yet to master what you're doing in the market. All right. You may possibly be doing well, maybe because of one or two coincidences that just happen in the direction of your ignorance or your ignorant analysis or your entry. But then what you have here is not appropriate. You don't do that if you're trading. You don't do that. So right here is our weekly bias. We can see price has broken structure. We have a range. Please don't forget this. Always put it at the back of your mind that you have a dealing range. I'm going to make a video about dealing range, all right? You have a dealing range. There is a range that you are dealing with currently, and this is the range. No matter what is outside this range, just focus on this range. And that is how you're going to take the right trade. Now, there is something called the PD-ARRAY. And the PD-ARRAY is basically the sequential arrangement of the institutional footprints or the institutional reference points as popularly known by many of you guys, such as breaker, mitigation block, on order block, all these institutional footprints that helps us to know exactly what the institutions are thinking. Now, if you look carefully, the chances that price is going to start retracing, right, into this area for another energy to continue moving up is high because we have now broken structure. The higher you go, all right, the higher you go, the more expensive it is. And many people will not buy when it is already premium. I know some of you that are into real estate or some property development or something like that will have an idea. Most people will prefer to go to the outskirts of a city or outside the city to look for land that they can build on while it is somehow cheap before many people recognize it. You know, most people that come to the market, they start recognizing that this is a bullish market from here. And you know what? Whenever you see an opportunity as a common man in the market or as a retail trader, whenever you see an opportunity in the markets, just know that it is already too late. It's an opportunity to buy. And that's what is happening to a lot of people that are buying Bitcoin now. All right. It is already too late for many people. The opportunity was not visible when it was opportunity. The moment it is visible to everybody, it is no longer an opportunity. All right. Yes. So many people that knows what they are doing will stop buying from here. They will wait for what? Discount. Who doesn't want discount in this life? I think even the richest person you find out there, they would like to have some kind of discount in whatever they are buying, because discounts is very good for business. It helps you to get the best price possible, right? To get the best price possible. So that is why you don't see people buying when price is already at premium. So people will prefer to buy when price is either at equilibrium or at a discount area. At equilibrium, it is a fair value. At least it's a fair value. The value is fair enough for people to patronize or to buy again. So that is exactly what is happening to gold as it is now. Now we look at the discount area of our price action. Currently, we look at the discount area of our price action and give ourselves reasons why we want to see price go down. So this is the discount portion. From here, this line I just drew is the equilibrium line. Below it is the discount portion. Here is the premium portion. But look at this. There is something very, very important. If you look at this carefully, every time price is coming into an exact area, we want to see price coming to the area because of a specific reason. And that could be an institutional reference point that is rightly placed. If you look at this area, is this a fair value gap? Is there any fair value gap here? There is obviously no fair value gap there. How strong is this bullish order block? Let's call this area. Oh, we mark everything. I know some of you are waiting for me to mark this small candle. I just want to use this entire area. Do you think this is strong enough to attract price? What do you think price would do? Will it trade here? No, that was not a fair value gap. It's true. It's true. The break block and keep buying. All right, we'll talk about that, Prince Will. We'll talk about that. But then let's look at what is happening currently. Let's see all the possible things we should expect. That is how to do trading. You are intelligently guessing the directional movement, not as a person that doesn't know where price is going to, but you know exactly. No, it has no fair value gap. Beautiful. It's weak because it doesn't have a. That's true. Emmanuel, it's true. This area, even though it's in the discount, let's say if an order block is supposed to have a power of 100, the moment an order block, if it is 100% that is supposed to be there, but the moment that order block doesn't have an imbalance, that is a fair value gap, that order block drops to at least, it will drop up to 50% of its strength. So let me put it this way. Every time you see an order block that doesn't have a fair value gap, the strength of that order block is less than 100, or the strength is below 50. If every order block is to have at least 100% energy to return price, all right, the strength of that order block is less than 50. All right, so you should know when you are taking a trade from another block that doesn't have an imbalance, you should know the implication that, oh, this is a another block that could possibly get me stopped out. All right, so we look at this area. Where are the possible areas? Then we saw something right here. Can you see a fair value gap here? Even though this fair value gap is resting on the premium side of price, that becomes more interesting because we have an old high right in the middle. I don't know if you can tell me what this is. This one. There is a name for it by ICT. When you have an old high and a fair value gap inside it. Huh? Yes, it is implied fair value gap. That's true. But implied fair value gap is also a very weak fair value gap. There is a fair value gap, sir, but at premium level. So we won't consider it. Yes, it's a unicorn entry. That's true. And at the same time, it is an institutional order flow entry drill. ICT calls it IOFED. You're going to have an IOFED. There are of two types. This is the type 2. The type 1 is your popular balance price range. But then what you have here is an IOFED, institutional order flow entry drill. So when price is coming, it's going to massively respect this guy. Doesn't have interest mostly here. So where is the journey going to be now? Now, there is a reason why I'm doing this, so that you know at the end of the day where we're going to take our trade. So look at this. If price is going to trade down into this area, how do we now do it? There are two things you would do. You're going to wait for price to come here before you start buying. That means you may possibly wait because price is not going to start trading here from Monday. No, it takes time gradually to trade into this. This is how I come up with my bias whenever I'm trading. All right. So at the end of the day, you will find out that, oh, I'm supposed to be bearish from my trading time frame or my kind of a trading system. If you are trading swing trading or institutional trading, you can just wait for price to come down there. From the weekly time frame, you're going to wait for it. Takes long time. All right. All right. They're going to wait for it. You're going to wait to see how the price will trade down here and react. So at the end of the day, we may possibly find our buyers as bearish, even though price is massively bullish. Yes, because I don't wait for this to happen. I cannot just sit down and wait for price to take 1 week before I have my setup. No, I don't do that. I don't do that. So now I can confidently go down to the lower time frame and look at what is happening on the lower time frame. Hence the reason why the daily time frame now becomes interesting for me. Do you see it? The daily time frame now becomes interesting for me. Now look at this. Last week, price took out the high of where? This was Wednesday. Price took out the high of Wednesday and it traded down into this area. On the 4-hour time frame, if we have a shift in market structure, I assure you that you're going to have a bearish week for the gold. You now see it. Now notice what happened. Price create a sweep of liquidity, trying to create what? A new trading range or dealing range from the 4-hour time frame. Now look at this carefully. Tomorrow or today, later in the day, when price starts trading, you should take notice of this. Everything I'm telling you will happen, except if we have some massive high impact news, which I want you to also go to your Forex Factory calendar and check. Now look at what is here. Just have a look at it. You now see it. Yeah, beautiful. You now see it. Just have a look at it. When you look at it carefully, you don't have any reason to go bullish yet. For long, you don't have any reason to go bullish yet, and you don't have any reason to go bearish yet. You are at a stage of indecision. You're not making any decision yet because we want to see price create that sure price level. If we closed above here, it will be a break of structure, right? If we had closed above here, rather, it will be a break of structure. But if we end up shifting structure, that means we're going to have that week completely trading back into our target. You now see it. But as it is now, I am waiting. Tomorrow we're going to see what price, or today, later in the evening, as soon as price starts or the market opens, we're going to see how price will behave. You don't have any business with trading it yet. Or is there anybody seeing anything I'm not seeing? 4-hour bullish order block. Is it this place? Are you seeing a bullish order block here? Is it this guy? Whatever the case may be, bro, whatever the case may be for you to take the trade, as it is currently, price has given you a very easy price delineation. Everything here is easy for you to identify. We have this area. Now, what I'm even expecting to see price do is to trade shift structure, trade into this bullish order block, but because of the shift in structure and a breaker block formation, we're going to have price come back and we're going to trade down easily. The moment you see this happen, that's the beginning of the bearish movement. Is that making sense? Japheth, I don't know. I don't know how long it is going to take. Yeah, we got a fair Baluga below the recent low. Yes, that's the reason. That's the more reason why price will shift structure or why price will push down. Is because of this fair value gap I saw and then the bullish order block right there. This is a very significant level. So if this is the area price is looking at, boom, we're going to have it here. I can't advise you to do a buy or sell if you're trading within this range. You have to be patient. This thing is a game of patience and waiting for the right moment. All right? And waiting for the right moment. Is this analysis making sense to anybody? I know some of you are just eager to activate trade. It's when you finally lose the money that you look for me and call me. Say, oh God, please help me, sir. The money is going off. And for those of you who are losing money, you better come for mentorship so that I will teach you the right thing to do. Yes. Those of you who are losing money in the markets, I will not be ashamed of telling you to come Let me give you my time so I can teach you the right thing to do in the market. The mentorship is cheap. I made it cheap. For 12 months, you're going to be in my mentorship, and it's going to cost you just $100. Except if you are not participating in the mentorship actively, you don't have any reason to tell me that you are still struggling with analysis or taking trades psychologically. Yes, some of you, you prefer to lose money before you come to me, and I will not listen to you. All right. So you can have my WhatsApp contact in the description. You can have the mentorship link in the description of this video. And I know some of you are doing well already. You don't need my mentorship if you're doing well already. All right. Yes, there is WhatsApp link in the description of this video. You can chat me, and there is the link for the mentorship. This is there. So this is what I'm seeing from gold. Can I now give you guys something maybe on a lower time frame so that we'll see whether we can grab some movement as it is coming down? I know some risky traders like me are here with me. They are eager to take the trade. Oh, even on the lower time frame, I will be sincere with you guys. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. I will be really, really sincere with you. Are you guys seeing anything on the lower time frame? 15 minutes is the lowest I will come for now. And I'm not seeing anything relevant. So I wouldn't force anybody to take any trade here. The 15 minute is not showing me a sign of doing anything. All right. Yes, the 15 minute is not also ready, even if you want to trade it. All right. The 15 minutes is not yet ready. Who is buying? You are on a buy. Somebody is buying. You are on a buy. Is it Ahmad Altaf? Say all of you go and learn from inner cycle trader. Yes, if you have the energy to learn from ICT, I recommend that, and it's the best. ICT has been the one that helped me in the market. About 70% of my trading success has been ICT. All of you know ICT concept. He Michael J. Hodgson, he's there. The YouTube channel handle is there. Don't be too lazy. You can go to ICT concept and learn. Yes, I can assure you. But at the other side, the energy it will take also to sit down with Michael's video. I did more than 3 years watching Michael's videos alone. So it takes you that energy and the ability to be patient to even sit through what Michael teaches. Is by unarguably, yes, the best out there when it comes to smart money concept. You can check it there. All right. So this is what I feel will happen. All right. I've shown you everything from that. I see a lot of you asking me to analyze BTC. Yes. For those of you who are trading cryptocurrency, if you're trading cryptocurrency, I have a free Telegram community. Yes, it's a free Telegram community. I share crypto signals for those who are trading with Bybit, only Bybit. All right. But you have to sign up with my link in the description of the video, and then you're going to be in that free Telegram community. Only crypto traders, not Forex traders. All right. For those of you who want to be in the community of Forex, you have to pay to join that. You sign up with my link in the description on Bybit, and then there is a WhatsApp link in the description of the video also. Send me the user ID of your Bybit, and I will add you up to the community. So this is BTC. For those of you that are asking me, to analyze BTC. BTC is here. All right, BTC is here. The price action, I don't know why some of you like to struggle with the price action of a particular trade. Yes, I let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. Entire window. Beautiful. So you guys can see my screen, right? For those of you who are asking me. So this is the free Telegram for crypto. If you want to join, you have to sign up with Bybit with my link and send me a message on WhatsApp with your user ID. They have been taking quite a good number of good trades. These are the trades they have been taking in the community. So you want to be part of it. If you are trading crypto, only crypto, not Forex, please take note of that. So this is BTC. I haven't traded BTC for some few days now because of this price action. You see, the price action is very, very rough. And anything that will just make me to be guessing the direction of a particular asset, I don't like it. I can't even tell you this is the direction BTC will go to. Eh? So please find an asset that is very easy and interesting to trade. Some of you that like to trend, like you want to take a particular trade and you want to be in a trending market, trade JPYPS. All these ENPS, they are very good when it comes to. Can you guys see my screen? The WhatsApp number is in the description of the video. This particular video, the WhatsApp contact is in the description. So please check it out. Let me show you something about, I want to show you something. JPYPS, I just want you guys to backtest, or maybe you can take 1 or 2 weeks backtesting JPYPS before you trade with it. You can trade on TradingView with demo. I showed you last week. You see this place called Trading Panel? Click on it. You see this particular thing called paper trading. Click on paper trading. I think this is available for both paid users and all right. You see, let me take it out so I can show you how to get this demo account on TradingView. You don't need to log out of paper trading. Beautiful. So if I click on it, I can now connect paper trading account. I will have a demo account. This is a demo account. You see it. So I can easily take my trades just like the normal trade. You see, if I come to trades, you see, I can activate trade. I don't need to go to MT4 or MT5 now to do that. How many of you know about this? How many of you know about this? Please, Ahmad, don't spam the comments. Allow other people. IOFED. This is not a new thing. IOFED has been a popular thing. It's just because you are new to ICT concept. IOFED simply means institutional order flow entry drill. It's simply you having an order block, either a mitigation block or a breaker block, just the high of that particular breaker block with a fair value gap inside it. That is what IOFED is. Let me show you that example. Let me exemplify it. I'm not supposed to be responding to. Okay, let me show you. This is IOFED. Can you see this? This fair value gap and this particular low. We have an old low. All right, that's an old low, right? And what? And a fair value gap. When you have this confluence, it's called IOFED, institutional order flow entry. Price will trade right into that area and crash. Do you now understand it? It's not some kind of a new word that is there to confuse you. I'm not here to confuse you. I'm here to help you understand. So that is what it is. You have an old low and a fair value gap inside it. Price will trade. Most of the time when you see them, they are like that. So I have been just back testing CHF JPY. I love the PA. Very interesting PA. I know most of you don't do your research to check. If you check this PA, look at the price action. It's been a long time I've seen an asset with such a nice price action. How many of you are trading this asset? See the price action. Very interesting, right? Go and back test it and practice and start taking trade from it. Very interesting. It's been a long time I've seen a pair like this. Look at the delivery now. Break of structure bearish, right? Price coming back straight into the fair value gap on the premium. What did I teach you the last video? the swing high entry, right? We have one, two, three, the third candle closing below the second candle, and then the middle candle having the lowest wick, sorry, highest wick for this. This is a swing high formation. You take your sell from here. Look at how the price delivery is so swift and easy to catch. A lot of the movement I've seen in this on this asset are very interesting. Look at a nice bullish breaker. Oh, interesting. All right. So stop confusing yourself. It's nothing new. All the terms are just new things. They are not new. They are things that are already in the market. All right. So I will be stopping here. And yeah, somebody has been trading it. Yes. It's interesting, right? Caben's Forex. It's interesting, right? How to predict high and low of the day. That is another day. I think I've made a lot of videos about that. How many PS do you trade, sir? I trade mostly the dollar PS because I trade during the London session. So I trade mostly Euro and GBP PS. But then by extension, I used to trade JPY PS, but recently I've built interest in JPY PS. I'm coming back to them, analyzing them and checking them. Yes, please, they should stop spamming the chat. All right. Best time to trade JPYPS. You can trade them in post Asian session, that is the London session. It's okay too. If you are trading the PS like GBP JPY, you can trade it in London. The Euro JPY, you can trade it in London. CHF JPY, you can trade it also in London, but it's mostly smoother in New York session. All right. You can also go to your charts and do those analysis for yourself. All right. Thank you very much, guys. I will be ending this session here. Uh, um, Marvelous, you're just coming. Signal forward again. All right. So I just showed you what I'm expecting. There is no signal. There's no signal. All right. There's no signal. So have you guys tomorrow? I'll also be live to analyze the markets with you. Thank you very much. I hope to see you make a lot of money this week. Thank you very much. See you another time.